Everybody, my name is Sun Lee, and today I'm testing out a plugin created by InVision. It's called Craft Prototype, and basically what the prototype does is that it allows you to instantaneously update your markup to InVision, and it allows you to create hotspot, hot links to different type of markup on your graphic editor. And then you can actually view the update on your phone. So basically, prior to the plugin that InVision created, you actually have to create a prototype upload the markup to their web apps, and then you have to actually create hotspot, right, just so that you can try to test out the prototype. So in my case, I had to upload all of these design and then start creating hotspot, right? This is inconvenient, right? This is actually inconvenient for me to actually test it on the phone, right? It's not instantaneously updated. So what it is that they create a prototype, right? A prototype to actually test it out on Sketch or Photoshop, depending on what you're using. So I'm testing out the prototype feature, which is not available right now. So I'm just testing out their prototype just so that I give them some kind of feedback so that they can make an improvement on the products. So so let's just play around with the prototype a little bit. So let's say that press C to create a link, and you have to select layer. So what I'm going to do is that I'll click on this login button right here, and I'm going to hit C. This allows me to create a link, right, to another markup on the artboard. So I'm just going to click on this, and this allows you to tap just so you can move on to the next screen. So I'm just gonna, okay, cool. There's a bunch of different features, but so you can tap, you can swipe down, up, left, right. So I'm just gonna do tap, okay, add link. Okay, so this will allow me to, okay, so let's see what else I could do. Okay, so let's say that you want to be able to write something. Okay, so let's attach this right here to this. Okay, so okay, so add link. So when I click on this this icon right here, it will take me to this screen. All right, so let's see what else is new here. So let's say that I hit on this right here. Okay, and then I click on this right here. This will allow me to do input field. Okay, cool. So I can edit stuff. Okay, I can edit stuff. All right, so okay, let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, so let's just do all the setup. Okay, so if I click on this profile picture here, it'll take me to this right here, to the setting UI, add link, and then if I click on back, right, if I click on back, it'll take me back to the chat UI. Okay, so what else is do I need to make? So okay, so let's actually see if I can make an update. Okay, so let's see if I actually connect a device. Okay. Okay, so hopefully it's connect. All right, so let's test this out. Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen. All right, so hopefully you guys see this. All right, so if I click on this back button right here, okay, it'll take me to a different screen. Okay, so I'm instantaneously making update on. All right, I'm making update on this design. Oh, cool. So now there's something strange going on. I can actually type this. Cool. All right. So you can basically make you can create markup just like you do on a web application, but you can actually it's just allow you to make an instantaneous update on your phone. So here's oh, cool. So basically, it's the same thing as a regular web application, right? You uploading the markup to the web application, but this plugin that InVision created called Craft, it allows you to update your artboard and your markup from the graphic editor. So instead of you actually save all the file and just make an update on the web application, you can actually do through your graphic editor. So that's the convenient. However, though, the product isn't complete, and what I'm trying to say is that there's some error that they haven't fixed, such as this here, this markup here called Chat UI, right? The background is white, right? But if you actually look on the InVision app, it's actually a black background, right? Even though it's not. Okay, so my markup isn't it's a little bit different, right? It has a white background, but if you actually click on, you move on to this screen here, Chat UI, it's actually, different color. One is black, the other is white. So there's probably some error on their end, and even on the web application for InVision, this right here is the same as this markup right here, Chat UI. It's the same thing. The problem is that they couldn't distinguish if it's the background is white or is actually blank. So I'm not really sure what's going on, but that's the only issue I see with the markup and the prototype. The way they view the markup, it's just that this is the white background, and for some reason they view this as a gray background, right? So I'm not sure. It's the same thing happened on the InVision app. So hopefully, they make some update and fix on this prototyping plugin that they created for for Sketch. So not sure it's the same issue with Photoshop or not, but I'm having this issue with Sketch. So hopefully they make some improvement on it, and it seems like a very promising tool. It's similar to Adobe XD. The only advantage that I see is that it's lightweight. It's not, I guess it's not as expensive as Adobe CC, a subscription. So it seems like a promising tool, and it has a lot to improve on. But I'll put my money on this this plugin, just to see where they are. But thank you for watching, and if you like this this video, if you'd like me to do more tutorial on the rest of the craft feature, let me know. But for this tutorial, I was just focused on the prototyping feature. So if you like it, just give me some feedback. You don't like it, then give me some feedback also. So anyway, thank you for tuning in into my video, and I look forward to speaking with you guys in the near future.